Welcome back, everybody. We're talking today about a topic that has been blowing up our phones this week, so we figured might as well make a blog, make a video about it for you guys to help break things down, which is snow and ice removal on the rooftop. We've seen the humorous Instagram clips. We've seen people out there with rakes, but snow and ice buildup on the rooftops is a real thing. And in particular, ice damming is a real thing where that can build up and start to cause some really serious problems for any type of structure. So what the heck does emergency removal of snow and ice cost? Great question. And the short answer is you're probably going to get a really wide range from different contractors or services that you call. But we're going to give you some basic rules of thumb that should give you some pretty good pricing parameters to go, wait a minute, time out, something's not right. So first thing to always think about is when you are calling for some type of emergency snow and ice removal from your rooftop, your gutters, expect a minimum trip charge, right? The contractor is coming out. They don't know what to expect, but they're hopping to it. They're saying, I am going to be there for you. So you do need to expect a minimum trip charge. It'll generally cover about the first hour or two of work. And I would tell any homeowner or business owner to expect a minimum trip charge somewhere in the neighborhood of $300 to $500. That whether they're there for 20 minutes, 2 hours, it's going to cover that first amount of time to help get that issue remedied or solved. Now, from there, how are you going to get charged, or what's the fee going to be? Just about every contractor I've spoken with who offers this type of service does it on a per hour basis. Again, when whether it's Kanga Roof or any other contractor, we're coming out sight unseen. We don't know what to expect. So what we'll do is we will just charge it after that minimum trip charge at an hourly rate. Now, again, if you're calling for emergency services, you should expect a premium on that hourly rate. And I can tell you in our case, it is above what our normal just time and material rates are. So what should you expect? Our rule of thumb here would be, as a consumer, whether a home or business owner, for emergency snow and ice removal on the rooftop and or the gutters, expect somewhere in that like $150, $185, maybe $190 range if you got some unique setup things. But that should give you a pretty good, reasonable range to expect. And just remember, it's going to be charged per man per hour. So if you have one guy out there, it's pretty easy. But let's say you have two or three, that rate is going to be based on the number of workers on your home or on the job site. Now, that can be really scary going, oh my God, I'm paying $150 an hour and I got 3 people out here. That could add up quickly. Well, a good contractor is also going to have the conversation going in to say, hey, what's the amount you don't want to exceed, right? They're going to have levels. And generally the good part is before and I can say in our case, before we come out, we're going to talk with you and be crystal clear about what that not to exceed amount is. Now, if we get into it and we think, hey, if you do add on 2 more, we know you're not to exceed. Do you want us to stay? We're going to have that conversation with you, and any good contractor should do the same. So that's a big deal, because otherwise, just giving somebody a blank check for a time and material repair, that's pretty scary, and you're welcoming some fraud or some deceit at that point. I know in our case, we always have that not to exceed, so both you as the consumer, us as the contractor, we're all on the same page. Lastly, when it comes to snow and ice removal, I really mean this. This is just me, Bill Jr., human, to you, the viewer. Do not attempt this yourself. Falls from ladder, falls from roofs are some of the most common injuries that occur for most homeowners and ironically, some very independent business owners. It's dangerous when it's dry out and it's warm and it's good conditions. When we're doing snow and ice removal on an emergency basis for a home or a business owner, let's be real. It is snowy, it is icy, setting up the ladders is more difficult. How do you anchor the ladder if the gutter's filled with ice? There are a lot of variables. You need somebody who has the proper team, the proper equipment, who knows how to do this safely to not only not risk injuring yourself or injuring their team, but minimizing any risk to your home or your business. So if you are in that situation, you're experiencing ice dams, I am so sorry. But hey, here's the good news. Now you know what to expect. You know how to evaluate a contractor. And we're right here. We're ready to hop to it for you. We do offer that emergency service 7 days a week. We have somebody on the phones 24 hours a day. So if you are experiencing an issue like this, give my team a call, 586-566-0308. I hope you learned something. I hope this helped. And as always, I hope you have a kangarific day.